Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video is going to be a luxury unboxing. If you guys know me, if y'all know Kendra, if y'all know Kensthetic, I love me a pair of shoes, and I love me a bag too, but I love me a pair of shoes a little bit more. So in today's video, I want to unbox my first pair of Mach and Mach heels, give you guys my first impressions, my thoughts, review, all of that. We're going to get into it in today's video. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below because your girl is doing big things. The family is growing, the family is growing, and I want y'all to be a part of the family. So make sure you guys subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and drop a comment down below with your thoughts, comments, questions, opinions, anything that's on your mind after watching this video. Make sure you comment down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So before we get started with today's video, I did want to address today's look. So guys, I finally did something different to my hair. I know you guys are tired of me twisting y'all out to death, but I finally did something different to my hair. So round of applause for Kensthetic for finally doing something different to her hair. I'm not being sarcastic, like I'm really being dead ass. But this is my hair. I did a perm rod set, and you guys, I feel like it came out so good. There's still some areas that need improvement, such as these ends, but we're practicing, okay? So that's what is the most important. My face, I did my basic full coverage makeup look, which I uploaded a video about. So if you guys want to see it, then you guys can click the link up above and check that video out after y'all watch this whole video, because I know y'all want to be nosy and y'all want to see what shoes I got. So make sure y'all finish this video first, and then y'all go watch the makeup video. My lippy is Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream and Fenty Glow mixed with the honey waffles. And my earrings are these Chanel Domino earrings. I gave you guys a whole video about these, so if you guys are interested in these Chanel earrings, any Chanel earrings, how to purchase Chanel earrings, I gave y'all some tips on that too. Then go ahead and check out that video. I will link it up above and down below. And then this top, y'all know I love me my little tops from Zara. It's just like a little off-white top, and then my nails are the same metallic gel color 004 from Le Shot. But that's today's look. I hope you guys enjoy. I've been trying to give y'all different looks or whatever, so let me know how I'm doing. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into these shoes, because that's why y'all here. I purchased my first pair of Mach and Mach heels. I'm saying first because your girl needs another pair, okay? But let's get into this review first. So I purchased these shoes from Nordstrom. I was just scrolling on Nordstrom, and I came across these shoes, and I'm like, I need these shoes. So let's go ahead and I'll show you guys the shoes first, and then I'll give you guys more details on them. So this is the box that they came in. It's this light pink box with white lettering on it. It's real cute, real simple, real basic. And on the side, it does have the product information. Boom, boom, boom. And then inside, I have my packing list from Nordstrom. It came with these two satin dust bags, one for each side of the shoe. They could have ironed this, honestly, with the amount of money that I paid, but I ain't even mad at it. And then the shoes, of course, right? But these are the shoes that I got. These are the Mach and Mach Imitation Pearl Bow Sandal. You guys see that? So freaking cute, stunning, and it has pearls all around the ankle strap. I was in love with these shoes, okay? Real cute. It does have like a perplex detail here behind the bow, but you can't really see it because I'm not big on perplex at all. When the girls are doing the perplex heels, I'm like, y'all could do that. I'm not doing that. It's not for me. But these shoes are just absolutely stunning. It has this square toe box, which looks so sexy, especially if you have like wide or fat toes like me. I feel like a square toe box is what you need. I do not play myself. I don't get the triangle. I don't get the rhombus. I don't get the none of that. Give me a square toe bed because it complements my fat toes, period. But they're absolutely stunning. I love them so much. In the box, these shoes also came with this little dust bag that says Mach and Mach on it. And inside of this dust bag are 2 extra heel taps. So if you ever need to replace your heel taps, they provide you with them. Most luxury shoes provide you with extra heel taps just because when they go bad, you can go ahead and replace them without having to send your shoe in for repair or like purchase a new pair. But this is a heel tap right here. It's basically the same thing, just a second one. And these shoes do have a silver lining on the sole. It's not the material that like when you scratch, it's gonna, like you gotta scratch for it to leave an imprint. But this is how they look. They do have a slight like mirrored effect on that panel as well. This area here has this bow. The bow does have pearls on it, and then it has this huge rhinestone in the middle, which I absolutely love, and it spreads across my foot so my foot doesn't look as wide in these shoes. And the heel does have like this rhinestone detailing around it, which I absolutely love. And as I mentioned, the ankle strap is full of these heavy duty pearls. Okay, baby? So I'll go ahead and try on the heels and put some clips of me trying them on here so you guys can see. But just some background information about these heels. As I mentioned, these are the Mach and Mach imitation pearl bow sandal. I did pay the shoes retail for $1,040 on Nordstrom, and I did get them in a size 38.5, which is my usual size. The note on Nordstrom recommended that I order a half size up, but I was just like, let me go ahead and get my usual size. If not, then I'll just return it and get a 39, which would have been a half size up. But the 38.5 fit perfectly. So I would say that these shoes do run true to size, the specific style that I have, just so you guys know if you guys are interested in ordering. And just some specs on these shoes. The heel is 3.5 inches. It does have the adjustable ankle strap with the buckle closure. The shoe is leather and synthetic upper leather lining and sole, and the shoes are made in Italy. So Mach and Mach is a really popular heel brand that the fashion girls are wearing, that the Instagram girls are wearing, and they do have some, I don't want to say basic models, but they have some models of the shoe that a lot of people do wear. But these, I haven't seen them on anyone, but I'm the type of girl that even if I do see them on everyone, if I like them, I'm gonna spend my money on them and I'm going to get them. So Mach and Mach, surprisingly, they don't have like a website. So when I look at their Instagram, it says they are available on Net-a-Porter, Harrods, Nordstrom, Selfridges, T-Some Moscow, which I'm guessing is an online shop in Russia, Level Shoes, Luisa Via Roma, Harvey Nichols, Brown's Fashion, Moda Operando, and more. And then the link in their bio leads you to Nordstrom. But in general, I love their shoes because they can be a statement for a red carpet event, or you can wear them with like sweats, jeans. You can do so many different things with them. This specific pair, since it does have the pearls on it, to me it's more of like a dress-up shoe, which is why I opened this video by saying that this is my unboxing and review of my first pair, because I do plan on getting another pair. The second pair that I get, I want it to be a pair that I can dress up and dress down. These shoes specifically, I feel like I can only dress them up, but I decided to get this pair first because when I saw them on Nordstrom, I was like, they're almost sold out. And if you guys know me, y'all know I love shopping on Nordstrom. Y'all know why I love shopping on Nordstrom. And if you guys are new, I love shopping on Nordstrom because their return policy is lit, their customer service is lit. So if I can buy something on Nordstrom, I'm gonna buy something on Nordstrom. This pair specifically, the pearls are what sold me. I love a pearl moment, and the pearls on this shoe are just so luxe. They're just so like, they just feel so good. And as I mentioned, these shoes do retail for $1,040. Let me tell you guys exactly how much I paid. I paid $1,132.30 because the tax was $92.30. So just some details if you guys are interested in getting these shoes. They will be linked down below, so make sure you guys check the description box if you guys are interested in picking them up. But what's going to be my next pair of Mach and Mach heels? I know you guys are curious, but to me, I see a lot of people compare Mach and Mach heels to Amina Muaddi heels. I can see the similarities, but to me, I feel like they're two completely different brands. They offer two complete like different styles of shoes. I feel like the rhinestone is the main thing that, or the rhinestone designs is the main thing that cause people to connect Amina Muaddi to Mach and Mach. But to me, they are two separate brands. So the next pair of Mach and Mach heels that I get, I want them to be pointy toe. I'm gonna try them on first because I just told y'all that the square toe really does me well, but I love the pointy toe moment, and I don't have any luxurious heels that have that pointy toe, because I told you I have fat toes, so I have to go in the store and try it on. They need to start doing like a pointy toe heel that runs wide, because the girls with the big toes, like, what we supposed to do? Y'all really want us to squash our little piglets in that little triangle? Like, no, we need a little extendo. They have so many different styles that I love. I'll go ahead and put some of them on the screen so you guys can get an idea of their other product offering, and specifically products that I'm interested in getting. But yes, so these are some other styles that I'm interested in getting or trying on to see if I should get them. The Nordstrom New York flagship store, the one that's on like 57th and 7th Avenue, they do offer Mach and Mach Heels in person. So if you guys are located in New York and you want to try them on before you go ahead and splurge, then definitely go in store to try them on first. But yeah, these are my new pair of shoes. I love them. That's my baby. I'm gonna stand beside her. But yes, I really love them. I'm happy with this purchase. I already have an outfit planned, so y'all gonna see them real soon. Hint hint. But that's all I'm gonna say. But comment down below and let me know what you guys think of my new babies. Do you guys have a pair of Mach and Mach heels? If so, which pair do you guys have? Is it on your wish list? I know Christmas is coming up, so you know, if you gotta drop them hints for bae or your parent or your sis or your cousin to pick them up for you, then do it now. Comment down below and let me know all of your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you guys head out. Leave a thumbs up if y'all like this video. If you guys found it helpful, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Mwah.